How come it always seems that no matter how hard we try, it's almost impossible to make really good Chinese-style takeout at home? I have to admit, that's what I thought, until we came up with this super easy version of Kung Pao beef that's on the table in under 10 minutes and uses ingredients that you probably have at home. The first thing we do is combine some teriyaki sauce, cornstarch, crushed red pepper flakes, and a bit of ground ginger. Now we cut a flank steak across the grain into thin slices. We've discovered that if you pop this in the freezer for about 30 minutes before cutting it, it slices perfectly. Okay, now the meat goes into the marinade, and after a quick bath, we sear it in a hot skillet or wok until it's cooked through. When it's done, we'll top it with some peanuts and sliced scallions, and this tender as can be beef is ready to serve. Make sure you throw on a pot of white rice while the beef is cooking for a tasty dinner your family's gonna love. To get this easy peasy recipe for Kung Pao beef, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a bake-out, take-out kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.